Welcome back in this video. We will install our first Sublime plugin. Okay, so we will install the Emmet plugin. Okay, so first of all, what basically do the Emmet plugin? Okay, so Emmet plugin basically speed up our HTML and CSS coding. Okay. Emmet plugin speed up our HTML and CSS coding. Okay, so how to install the plugin? Okay, it's very easy. Okay, click on preferences. Okay, click on preferences. Okay, and now click on package control. Okay, and here click on install package. Okay, click on install package. Okay, and here you can see loading repositories. Okay, so that's mean the repositories as now loading. Okay, so just wait. Okay, to load the repository. Okay, so it's depend on your internet connection. Okay, so here search your plugin. Okay, so we are searching for Emmet. Okay, so here type EMMET. Okay, Emmet. Okay, now click on the Emmet. Okay, click on the Emmet. Okay, and here you can see installing package Emmet. Okay, and it's loading now. Okay, so that's mean the Emmet plugin is now downloading. Okay, now installing. Okay, so just wait. Okay, and Emmet plugin is a very small plugin. Okay, Emmet plugin is a very small plugin. Okay, so wait. Okay, and Emmet plugin is the most important plugin for web developer and for web designers. Okay, because Emmet plugin helps us to speed up your HTML and CSS coding speed. Okay, so wait. Okay, I think my internet speed is slow. Okay, I think. Okay, so here we have the message. Okay, so that's mean the Sublime that's mean the Emmet plugin is installed successfully. Okay, and here we have the message, please restart the editor. Okay, and also to finish installation process after pyvt was downloaded. Okay, so just close. Okay, restart again. Okay, again open. Okay, and close this one. Okay, perfect. Okay, and now I want to create a new folder. Okay, and my E drive. Okay, and my E drive. Okay, and after I will open my folder and the Sublime text editor. Okay, so let's say the folder name will be Sublime editor. Okay, and just drag this folder and the Sublime text editor. Okay, perfect. Okay, so now inside this folder create new file. Okay, index.html, save index.html. Okay, perfect. Okay, so first of all I want to create the HTML document using Emmet plugin. Okay, I want to create the HTML document very fast using Emmet plugin. Okay, so just type here HTML pipe. Okay, and now hit the tab key from your keyboard. Okay, yeah, it's working perfectly. Okay, again HTML pipe. Okay, so that's mean here pipe mean the HTML5 document. Okay, and now again press the tab key from your keyboard. Okay, and another way you can also create the HTML document like this. Okay, the explanation sign. Okay, the explanation sign. Okay, hit shift +1. Okay, from the keyboard. Okay, and now again press the tab key from your keyboard. Okay, so here add the title Sublime plugins. Okay, And now here let's say if you want to link the CSS file, okay, so just type here link, okay, and now hit the tab key from your keyboard, okay. It's working perfectly, okay. Now let's say if you want to create the class, okay, insert the division tag. Let's say insert the division tag if you want to create the class, okay. So for class we use dot sign, okay. For class and CSS, for class we use the dot sign, okay. So here add the dot, okay. And now let's say the class name will be, let's say, parent, okay, parent, okay. And now hit the tab key from your keyboard, okay. So you can see here we have the division tag, okay. Inside the division tag we have class, and the class name is parent, okay. Perfect, it's working, okay. Now again, let's say again the same name, parent, okay. Now let's say if you want to also add some text inside the division tag, okay. So here add two curly braces, okay. And here let's say here add my name as Shakil, Shakil Khan, okay. And now hit the tab key from your keyboard, okay. Yeah, it's not working. Yeah, it's working, okay. It's working, okay, okay. Again, parent, my name is Shakil Khan, okay. And now go outside of the closing curly braces, okay. And now press the tab key, okay. So it's working, okay. And let's say if you want to create the ID, so per ID we use the hash sign, okay. So here add the hash sign. And now let's say again parent, okay. So you can see division tag, ID, okay, and ID name is parent, okay. And again ID parent, okay. This is ID, okay. Perfect, okay. Let's say if you want to create the hyperlink, okay, href, okay. So here add a, okay. A mean href, okay, hyperlink, okay. And now let's say inside the hyperlink, let's say I want to add the class, okay. Let's say link, okay, links, okay. And let's say I want to create pipe links, okay. So here add static sign, okay, static sign, and here add pipe, okay. So this means this will create pipe hyperlink, pipe hyperlinks with this class, okay, with the links class, okay, with the links class, okay. Now hit the tab key from your keyboard, okay. You can see it's working perfectly, okay. Again here add hyperlink, okay. And now links, okay, and static sign, okay. And now here add pipe. So pipe mean pipe hyperlinks, okay. Now here I want to add some text inside the hyperlink, okay. Let's say home, okay. Sorry, it's not working. Yeah, it's working, okay. But sometime this is perfect, this is perfect, okay. So now it's working perfectly, okay. So basically this is the Emmet plugin, okay. And Emmet plugin basically speed up your HTML and CSS coding, okay. So here let's say add style tag, okay. Let's say here add let's say target header, okay. And you can see here we have some auto suggest, okay, bottom border, okay, okay. So now hit the tab key, okay. So B mean bottom, okay. Now here let's say 10 pixel, okay. And now here add BDR, okay. BDR mean border right, okay. BDR mean border right, okay. Now hit the tab key, okay. Let's say 10 pixel again, okay. And now let's say BDL, okay. BR, okay. So BR again mean border right, okay. And here we have BDR, BDFR, okay. So that's mean border pit, okay, okay, border pit, okay. And here for color we use normally C. Okay, and now hit the tab key. Okay, and for background color we use BG. Okay, background color. Okay, perfect. Okay, so basically Emmet plugin speed up our HTML and CSS coding. Okay, so thank you so much, and see you in the next video. Okay.